These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about savings and investments in the economy. There are several key components to understand when it comes to savings and investments. First, let's look at the different categories of savings. Personal savings refer to the excess income that individuals save. Corporate savings are the undistributed profits that companies retain. And public savings, though rare, come from government surpluses. Now, national savings is the sum of personal, corporate, and public savings. Private savings are the sum of personal and corporate savings. When we talk about the investment process, savings are channeled into productive ventures. This conversion happens through various financial instruments like equity, bonds, government securities, and other financial products. It's important to make a distinction here. Savings is not equal to investment. Savings alone do not lead to investment. Savings need to be actively directed towards investments to create economic growth. The role of financial markets is crucial in this process. Financial markets facilitate the conversion of savings into investments. For markets to be effective, they need to have certain features such as a diverse range of products, easy convertibility, simple transactions, operational safety, low costs, and transparency. Economic implications are significant. Higher savings and investment rates directly benefit the economy. Governments and central banks focus on efficiently mobilizing savings to ensure that investments are made in productive areas. The key point here is that the transformation of savings into investments is crucial for economic growth. And financial markets play a pivotal role in this process. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash-on-delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt-clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.